I that's a HubOS moment this time. You and HubOS. Or no, I'm stupid. HUDOS. It's HUDOS, not HubOS. What even is HubOS? We're doing HUDOS. The slow going of this stuff. You know what? Just cause. What the? So I'm belting my way back, and so far it's, as you can tell, it's going well. That rhymes. Now I have to go through this. It's, yeah. Nice. Just had a funny little idea. We got totally disorganized in the sand, so totally disorganized that in fact it goes like this. Oh, it's too long. Oh man, that would have been funny. I can still do that by expanding this to go one further. Wow. Look at that, that's amazing. A spectacle of the times. Oh yeah, that just hit the microphone. Got tiny little pumpkins on my desk because Halloween. We had them outside, now I have them in my room. They're pretty cool. at this apparently. Boo, okay. And that's working right there. This area is just a little weird, so. Ladders. Yeah. Yeah, it goes going to empty. Now, if I think about this correctly in my brain, this thing, doing that makes this only only be able to output, yeah, 140. Okay, so that means I gotta do this. Man, this one's just fine. It's only this one that's blocked by this. Here's 30 per minute. Wow. Hey, there it is, space elevator, yay! There it goes. Oh, that was weird. The floor's down. where is it? Here it is. Oh, I'm glad I grabbed those, because I did start running out. Obelisk, gun. Extra concrete. There you go. Yeah, that's your 3 of those. Yeah. So that's well, here's my answer to how much I'm making. Well, that's 30. This is 2 full of these. That's a full of those. So that's all I need is 120 left, which is, yeah, nice. Which, where's the copper again? Right here, I think it was? Yeah, it's that one. It's exactly on the... Looks like it. So I'll just go that way until that's directly west. I knew that I was gonna get off at some point. That's iron. That if that was it, that would have been really cool though. Means I'll go off on this one. She'll go off on this one because this is it's where the support is. Ah, here it is. It was just right over this hill. How simple. Oh, they go all the way over there. Oh. Okay, cool. I just need more of these. Miner. I don't need to even to do anything to this one. Slug-wise. walk around here and then go wee. I can go right here and go wee. And then go wee. And go like this, and you know. I can actually just hook that thing up into the thing, but it's close enough for that. Wee. This is the OG pathway up. This is the first one I made. I'm running out of those too, wow, huh. Okay, so walking, it would actually be right here if I wanted to make it straight. So, and then I go through that hole, right? Nice in the middle, look at that, perfect. Oh yeah, I gotta go over here and then I'll take this out because not required. And plus 3, not 3, free placement. I mean, platement, I guess. I don't know. 3 plates. That's plugged in, so I can go like that and remove some extra, whatever it's called. It'll be here any second now. There it is. Also, every time when I'm not expecting it and I'm walking across one of these belts, that glitch with the that sound while I'm doing that, or like this, you can hear that sound. It reminds me, especially this one, when you're on the edge and it doesn't actually make a noise. Doesn't that sound like the jester when a jester pops in like it's even on here. Sounds like when a jester pops in Lethal Company, where it just chases you down, like stomping really loudly. And that's what that's like. So I think of something like is arriving very quickly from behind. Sometimes I get ever slightly freaked out when I'm doing it. I need to go to the other one and turn it on, because it's not on right now and it's not mining copper. I need my copper. Get jump scared. Wait, not yet. I need to go like that. Get jump scared, native animals. What the heck? What? The miner's on. What the heck? That's new. Also, the math that talked about 960 smelters and being 30 smelters was, oh, I just figured out what it was. So in my little thing here, I have it's all of these have the amount that's crafted at the end for the end. It's like this to this. If it's constructors, it'll be like, for example, 1600 wire. That's 50 times 32. I'm gonna slightly underclock all my constructors, so the amount that goes in is 50, and by 32 constructors is 800 cable, which is the output of 25 times 32 constructors. Well, in my smelters category, oh hi. In my smelters category, I did 30 times 32 copper ingots, which means that I act, because 32 is how many copper ingots are coming out of it. That 30 ingots are how much are coming out. 32, which is the amount of machines, which is always the second number, is how much is a thing. So what I actually need is 2 more smelters. Which that can join the little 3 at the end. Like that. Yeah. Where's the 3 at, like, oh, this is the 3 at the end here, so it would need to go, I need these to be filled as well. There. So that means the belt are, so belts are divided into 270 plus 270 plus 270 plus an extra 150 at the end. That 30 from that belt right there, plus that, and that, plus the one I just brought in on that belt. I'm pretty sure. And the one coming in from here. That's how that works. Yay. Yeah, this one here, that's it. Also, why is this not filling? Oh. Ah, I did, hear that? The jester's coming for me, which means I have to get to a cheesy ground that he can't get onto, like top of a bookshelf or something. But oh, what the? There's a frame foundation there. It just took this long. That's how long it took. I really thought that was filling up. No, it just took that long. Yeah, they might fix that. Probably should fix that. They should add like a little conveyor belt from there to there based on the amount that this is. Well, that is all the copper done. Nice. Let's go.